problem I have with this machine is the right side drive motor is a little bit weak. When it's got a heavy load like this on front, this thing's rated for 1,000 pounds capacity. You can see that tag right there. 1,000 pounds. Tip load is 2,000. And I picked up a log one day and it tipped the back end clean off the ground. So it ain't hard to get tip load on this thing. But I had to put new tires on her. And the guy I bought it from just had the motor rebuilt. It's got a little Yanmar 35 horsepower diesel, 3-cylinder, runs like a top. And I got a good deal on this thing, and even though I didn't know the right side drive was weak as far as turning, because I didn't really test drive it a whole lot. I don't really know much about skid steers. I hadn't never drove a skid steer until I bought this one, and but it works real good, other than trying to turn going forward to the left.